What's up guys, Dami here. Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap on my trade today. I was able to catch around 200 points in shorts this morning, and I'm going to break down step by step everything I did to get into this trade, an explanation of my model again, and yeah, so let's get into this video. This is a screenshot of the P&L. Alright, so on the chart, in my previous video I explained my market maker model that has PO3 in it, and I said that we're in a sell model. Okay, so let's just go back. On Friday I determined that we're still in a market maker sell model because we never had a reversal here after the sell-off that swept lows. So I identified we're still in a market maker sell model. And in the market maker sell model, our initial phase is going to be a buy model. So on Friday, we completed our buy model. We retraced, we tapped into high time frame liquidity right here. This FVG, 4-hour FVG and a 1-hour FVG. So, and we had an SSMT that confirmed a reversal. Boom, nice, you would have got your entry. So now we're entering the distribution phase, the sell side phase. So on Friday 11, we start our sell side phase, but as we know, there are two phases in the distribution within the sell side phase. Our first phase will be the initial move down. However, we need to go and retrace and grab more liquidity to go back down. So this is what happened on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night during London and Asia session. So market opens here. We have our accumulation period from market open. Just go ahead and mark this out right here. And then we had our manipulation. So I'm gonna mark our deviations from the low, and then the 9 right here. Boom. So our deviation gives us possible projections to where we find reversals. And in the screenshot here, you guys can see I set my sell limit right here, 24903, which aligned with a 30-minute fair value gap, which is lined up with my 2.5 standard deviation. So there, I was able to locate our possible reversal that lined up with a high time frame liquidity right here, this 30-minute FEG that comes off a breaker. So a very nice location for us to retrace into and grab liquidity. So now let's talk about PO3 and how this aligns with it. So as I said in the previous video, you cannot get confused with the PO3 distribution and the market maker accumulation, because in a period like this, when we're in a market maker sell model and we're buying our PO3 and our manipulation and distribution, our distribution is the market maker's accumulation. However, vice versa, when we're in the second phase in both models, buy model and sell model, second phase, when we're going down, your PO3 distribution will always be the same distribution for your market maker model. So that's when they align up, not in the first phase when it's manipulating and accumulating and PO3 is distributing. So here's our accumulation, our manipulation period right here, and there we have it. And then we were able to catch the distribution phase, which is the second distribution phase for the market maker model. So now let's get into the entry, what may have happened. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and 3-screen it across the 3 indexes. We can use SSMTs if it'll let me do that. Okay, it seems like it won't. Okay, so we had a sequential SMT. This is our 1030 high. So we had a sequential SMT. YM was able to take this high out. However, MNQ wasn't. Also, as well as within this 1:30 a.m., I'm not sure if that was. Okay, that wasn't. But we did have this larger daily, so a larger cycle SSMT. However, I did not base my entry on the SSMT. We had a 1 minute CSID. I was looking for a PSP because a PSP does help you confirm your entry. But we had the entry was based off our 1 minute CSID, which is right here. So I had my entry right here off this 1 minute CSID, but I also had set limit orders. So I was at 903. So once I marked out deviations right here, sorry, this was my 1 minute CSID. I saw this, took entry. Yes, we did go down a bit as in our P&L. However, I set my stop loss at previous day highs, as we can see here, around the previous highs. So 60 points, a bit of risk. So once I got my entry, boom, we distributed all the way down. So this is where market maker model aligns with PO3, as in they both distribute down. So this is how I caught my 200 point trade, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need me to clarify anything, let me know, guys. But thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and thank you.